Everyone's been asking me, so I'm gonna show you how to pick a watermelon. First, you wanna look for one that has big, wide, dark green stripes running along the body of it. When you found such a watermelon, you then wanna flip it over and look for a strong yellow underbelly. That's where it's been laying on the ground. All right, lastly, you gotta give it a knock. You hear that like deep, reverberating, resonating noise. I don't know how to describe it. That's what you want. Listen again. Money. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I get home.
I have rapped in a program I did, a Weird Weekends episode about rap.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I'd like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure, and make me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact, no slack, but luckily the seats go back. I got a knack to relax in my mind, sipping some red wine.